In last class I have discussed more problems on equation of motion. Okay beta, so here I will discuss a small concept of uniform circular motion, and after that I will do some question on that, and after that more questions will solve on equation of motion also. Okay beta, so here the topic is uniform 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 circular motion. Okay beta, so this topic is uniform circular motion. What is the thing in circular motion? Here if I am going with a constant velocity v, okay, so here v mod of v is equal to something like 2 meter per second. Okay beta, so what I am discussing here in uniform circular motion, I am discussing here uniform circular motion if mod of v is equal to constant term means if I am calculating here, this is the center of circle, if I am calculating here the mod of v, that is right is here a meter per second. Oh, here is a, and here the mod of v is equal to a, and here mod of v is equal to a. Okay, what v, and here is v, this is v1 and this is v2. Okay beta, so v1 not equal to v2 because speed is same constant in all over the circle, but direction is changing, so velocity is changing because in circular motion direction is changing. Okay, but speed may be constant. Okay beta, speed may be constant, but if direction is changing, because here direction of velocity is like this one, here direction of velocity like this one, here direction of velocity like this one, here direction of velocity like this one. Okay, so all different points have different type of direction of this speed, so this velocity is changing. Okay, magnitude at here are same, but direction is changing, so velocity is changing. Okay beta, this is uniform circular motion concept. Okay beta, so do then some question. Okay, one another concept in this topic is, one another question, if this is radius r, okay beta, and here is the man, this is point a, it will go like this and like this, come here, the time will t, it will take time t to go from point a, after that full circle walk, it will take time t, so here the velocity with the speed will be 2 pi r divided by t, speed will be this thing. Okay beta, so do some question on it. do some question on it. Let's rub it and we will discuss some question on it. Okay beta, we will discuss some question on it. So first of all question is question number 1. An athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. Okay beta, what will be the distance covered? What will be the distance covered? And the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay beta, so this is the question. So how to solve this type of question? An athlete completes one round of circular track of diameter 200 meter. Okay beta, so here this is the circular track and radius is 200 meter. Okay beta, and what is the time? So one round time, so circular track, the diameter is 200 meter and complete the round in 40 seconds. Okay beta, so it complete round, it will take time 40 seconds. Okay beta, so what will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2? So it will start to move from point A. Okay beta, let's assume it will start to move point A. Okay, so what is the time? So total time is 2 into 60 plus 20, that is 120 plus 20, that is 140 second. Okay beta, so complete round track will be complete round will be 3 rounds in 20 seconds. 3 rounds in 120 seconds. Okay beta, so here is 140, it will complete 3 rounds in 120 seconds. Okay, after that plus 20 seconds, after that it will complete half round. Okay beta, because there is left time is, because this time is 120 plus 20. Okay, so here in 120 second it will complete 3 round, and in this 20 second it will complete half round. So round will be round will be 3 plus half. This round it will complete. So here, so distance will be what? Distance will be 2 pi r. This is one round distance into 3 plus half round is pi r. So distance will be, because it will come like this, okay beta. So it will complete one round. So one round distance is, this is 6 pi r plus pi r. This is 7 pi r, means 7 into pi into what is r? R is 200. This is 1400 pi meter. Okay beta. So it will cover distance 1400 pi meter. And what will be the distance after completion of one round, two round, three round? After three round, after that half round, it will be at here at point B after completion of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So displacement is this. This is the displacement. So this is the displacement. So displacement, what is the displacement? Is diameter. Diameter is 2r, that is 400 meter. Okay beta. So this way we can calculate this type of question. Okay beta. So let's do another level of question. Let's do another level of question. Okay beta. So let's do another question. Question number another question is a motor boat starting from rest on a lake, accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. Okay. So how far does the boat travel during this time? Okay beta. So how to calculate this type of question? First of all, write what is the data given. Data is given is motor Y starting from rest. Okay beta. So starting from rest means initially u is equal to 0, and on a lake in a straight line u is equal to 0. Accelerate a is equal to 3 meter per second square for time being 8 seconds. Okay beta. So how far does it boat travel during this time? Okay beta. So simply use second equation of motion. Okay beta, so s is equal to ut plus half a t square. Okay beta, so s we have to find it. Initially u is 0, so this term will be 0. Half 0 plus half, what is a 3, what is t 8 का square. Okay beta, so s will be half 3 into 64. Okay, so this will be 32 and s will be 96 meter. 96 meter. Okay beta, so this way we can calculate circular motion concept questions and equation of motion concept question. Okay beta, in next class I will discuss next chapter. Okay beta, Newton's laws of motion. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you.